This is my Giovanni 125cc dirt bike. It's a 2009, I'm pretty sure. It maxes out at around like 90 kilometers an hour. The downfall with this kind of bike is that it's kind of cheap. Like, the exhaust is pretty loose, but at one point it did have a strap to hold it up. The fenders or the decals are really cheap. Like, mine snapped off when I had a crash. It was like that on the other side, but it snapped off when I crashed. The headset is loose, if you want to call it that, but you can just tighten that really easy. The thing that annoys me most of all about this is if you look at it straight, the little thing right here is on an angle. It bothers me all the time. I'm too lazy to change it. So I'll set this up for you. You can listen to the motor. It's really easy to start. It doesn't rev too loud, like it's good for if you're driving in the backyard or something. The choke switch is right in here. Just open that up and close it. It goes up a lot farther, but it's already running. So I'll just show you what, like, before this spin. If you're looking for a bike that can wheelie pretty easy, this is the bike for you, because front end's really light. So yeah, this is a good bike to get. Thanks for watching my video. Comment, rate, and subscribe.